Reading is a key skill that carries on for a lifetime. Reading equips children with creativity, ambition, confidence, and empathy. As your child moves into independent reading, your encouragement can enrich their reading journey. Reading is about expanding horizons and igniting curiosities, but also about the everyday practical uses of reading, like using a shopping list or following instructions. Here are some tips which will encourage your children to read with enjoyment. Be a role model. Reading and the love of reading is nurtured by a child's environment and those around them. Try reading out loud with your child. No one is too old to read aloud. Talk about reading. Ask them questions about what they're reading. Tell them about what you're reading and try to find some common interests. Read to learn. As both adults and children, there'll be things that we do not understand immediately. When reading together, if there is something that's new to your child, encourage them to find out more about it. Reading choice. There is a whole world of books and content out there. Each individual will have their own tastes and preferences. Why not visit a library and choose some books together? Well-being benefits of reading. Reading can relieve anxiety and emotional distress and can open doors to talking about difficult subjects. When life gets a bit much, encourage your child to take some quiet time and escape into a book. Putting these hints and tips into practice will encourage a love of reading today, tomorrow, and beyond. Giving them the skills to continue reading and learning throughout their lives, making them confident individuals ready to lead fulfilling lives.